Good evening, class. How are you, class? Class is VK Mishra from Vision T24. Class, in the last video, we have discussed about the fraction, different type of fraction, and we were trying to start comparing fraction, right? And before that, let me tell you some more types of fraction, just uh, like and unlike fractions. What are like fractions, class? Like fractions are the fractions having same denominator. The fraction having same denominator are called like fractions. Just like, for example, if we see 1 upon 8, 3 upon 8, 7 upon 8, 18 upon 8. So these fractions are having same denominator. So these are like fractions. In another group, if I take 3 upon 4, 1 upon 4, 6 upon 4, 18 upon 4. So these are also like fractions. Okay, class? Have you understood? What we have to see? We have to see the denominator. If the denominators are same, so that fraction will be like fraction. And second is unlike fraction. So the fractions having different denominators. Different denominators are unlike fractions. For example, if we take some example, it will be 1 upon 2, 3 upon 4, 6 upon 9, 5 upon 7. So these are having different denominators. So these are unlike fractions, just like 7 upon 12, 9 upon 10, 11 upon 2, 6 upon 15. So these are also unlike fractions, right? Have you understood? Okay. So you have to differentiate such type of fractions, whether these are like or unlike. Now let me ask certain questions. If I ask some questions, you have to judge whether the fraction is like or unlike. Let me ask. Suppose I have written 1 upon 2 and 2 upon 4. What type of fraction is this? Prima facie, when you see the fraction, you will say this is unlike, but no, this is not unlike fraction. If you simplify this fraction, I have told you simplification. How to do it? First of all, divide numerator and denominator with the same number. Suppose I am dividing the numerator by 2, 2 1 is 2, and same by same number we will divide denominator also. So 2 2 is 4. So answer is coming as 1 upon 2. So this 1 upon 2 and this 1 upon 2 both are same. So these are like fractions. So before comparing whether the fractions are like or unlike, what to do? First of all, simplify if needed. अगर जरूरत हो आप simplify कर लो, then judge whether it is like या unlike. Correct? Okay. Now let me tell you some more type of fraction, that is, one is equivalent fraction. What is equivalent fraction, you know, class? I am telling, wait. So class, I am going to tell you what is equivalent fraction. What is equivalent fraction, class? These come in the category of comparing fraction. If you compare them, then you'll know that the particular fraction is equivalent or not. Suppose I have written 1 upon 2 here and I have written 2 upon 4 here. So we have to compare whether these are equal or not equal. So we will have to, first of all, what to do? Compare them. How will you compare? Either you simplify or you multiply. If you simplify this one, 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, it means 1 by 2 equals 1 by 2. These are equivalent fraction. But there is another method, just like I have written 1 upon 2 and here I have written 3 upon 8. These are equivalent or not? No, not a bit. How? If you multiply this number, 2 4 ja 8, so what you have to do? You have to make the denominators equal. Here the denominator is 8, here it is 2. If you multiply this by 4, so you will have to multiply numerator by 4 also. So here 1 4 ja 4 upon 8 and this is 3 upon 8. So these are not equivalent. These are not equivalent fraction. Okay. So in order to compare the fraction whether these are equivalent, you have both options. Either you simplify one side or you multiply one side. Just like I have written 1 upon 4 and here I have written 2 upon 8. You have two choices. Either you simplify this fraction or you multiply this fraction. Suppose I am going to multiply. 1 upon 4 is there and here 2 upon 8 is there. What to do to make 4 as 8? You have to multiply it by 2. And this will also have to be multiplied by 2. So that will come 1 2 ja 2 and 4 2 ja 8. So this is 2 upon 8. This is also 2 upon 8. So both are same. Okay. So these are equivalent fraction. Just like if I take 5 upon 20 and another fraction I am taking, that is 20 upon 80. What to do? You have both the choices. Either you multiply this first fraction by what? By 4, or you have another choice. You simplify this. Suppose if I simplify this one, so that will be 4 5 ja 20 and 4 20 ja 20. So it is also coming 5 upon 20 and this is also 5 upon 20. So these are equivalent fraction. Okay, understood? Okay. Now I'm going to tell you how to compare the fractions. Comparing fractions. On comparing fraction, we'll be able to know whether the fraction is greater, yeah, smaller, yeah, equivalent. Suppose if I am writing 1 upon 2 here, 3 upon 2 here, 5 upon 2 here, 9 upon 2. So if the denominators are equal, so what is the basic rule? If the denominators are equal, then the biggest numerator is the fraction having biggest numerator. The fraction having biggest numerator is the biggest fraction. This is the basic rule. What you have to do, first check whether the denominators are equal. If these are equal, so the biggest number, the biggest numerator, that will be the biggest fraction. 9 is here, so this is the biggest fraction and bigger than this and that one. The smallest fraction is 1 by 2, right? If I take another one, 1 upon 8, 7 upon 8, 9 upon 8, 8 upon 8, so which is the biggest one? All the denominators are equal. So your biggest numerator, the fraction having biggest numerator, that is 9 upon 8. So if I arrange them, first of all 9 upon 8, then 8 upon 8, then 7 upon 8, then 1 upon 8. So the biggest one is 9 upon 8 and smallest one is 1 upon 8. So what you have to see here? You have to see the numerators. This is the first rule. Clear? Now let me tell you the second rule. If the numerators are equal, then the fraction having biggest denominator is the smallest fraction. Very interesting. Smallest fraction. See the example. If the numerators are equal, 1 upon 2, 1 upon 9, 1 upon 7, 1 upon 3, 1 upon 10. What you have to see? You have to see whether the numerators are common. Yes, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. So I have told you the biggest denominator, fraction having biggest denominator, this is this one, 1 upon 10. Its denominator is 10. So this is the smallest fraction. 1 upon 10 is the smallest one. And then bigger than that, 1 upon 9. Then bigger than that, 1 upon 7. Then that, 1 upon 3. Then 1 upon 2. It means this is the smallest one. Smallest one is this and biggest one is this. Interesting? Okay. So you have to check the same thing. If the denominators are equal, then the fraction having biggest numerator will be the biggest fraction. And if the numerators are equal, so the fraction having smallest denominator will be the biggest one. Okay? Understood, class? So class, for today it's all. And if you like the session, you like the channel, you subscribe the channel, like the video, share it with your friend. Okay, it's all. Thank you. We'll meet in the next session with the another different interesting topic, right? Okay, thank you.